All right, viewers, welcome to another class with Mathmasoft, and this is a continuation class on our studies on prime numbers. In the previous videos, we have learned the meaning of prime numbers, how to identify prime numbers, how to write number as a product of their prime factors, and how to express these prime factors in index form. So in this video, we want to solve more examples on writing numbers as the product of their prime factors and leaving the answer in index form. So let's briefly look at these three examples. There's three numbers that we have here. The question reads, write each of the following numbers as a product of their prime factors. Leave your answers in index form. So we start with our first number, that is 512. Remember, in the previous videos, I've always been emphasizing on you using the prime numbers and starting with 2. So when you cannot divide by 2 again, then you move to 3, you move to 5, you move to 7, and so on and so forth. So because this 512, I can see that is an even number because it ends with 2, which is an even number. So I know that it can be divided by 2, and then I will begin my division with 2. So 2 in 5, we have 2, remainder 1. 2 in 11, we have 5, remainder 1. 2 in 12, we have 6. That gives me 256. Checking 256, I can see that it's still an even number, so I can still use 2. So 2 in 2 will give me 1. 2 in 5, I will have 2, remainder 1. 2 in 16, I will have 8. Then I move to 2 again because 128 is an even number. So 2 in 12, that will give me 6, and 2 in 8, that will give me 4. So I use 2 again. I have 3, and then I have 2. I have 2 again. I have 16. I have 2 again. I have 8. I have 2 again. I have 4. I have 2 again. I have 2, and then 2 again. That will give me uh 2 again here, that will give me 1. So let me take out this. So like I said in previous video, you can always make something like this to ensure that you are doing the right thing. So you can always roll like this. So you can see that the last two we use is actually this one, which is 2 in 2, that give us a 1. So now we can simply multiply, writing that 512 can be expressed as, let's count every number we used to divide here up appear to be only 2. So let's count it. How many 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 2 multiplied in 9 places. So that's like writing 2 times 2. So instead of us to write it in 9 places, I can simply write 2 raised to the power of 9. And this is 512 being written as products of its prime factors and leaving the answer in index form. So you can write like this, or you can simply first do 2 times 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 9. Okay, and then you write that your answer is 2 raised to the power 9. Anyone? Yeah, okay, so we are correct with that. So let's move to number 2. Number 2, we have 328. So looking at 328, I can say it's an even number because it ends with 8, and 8 is an even number. So I can begin to divide. 2 in 3, 1. Remember, 1 in 12, 6. Then in 8, that will give me 4. So 2 again, because 164 is an even number, so I will have 2, I will have 8 rather, and then I will have 2, that's 82. 2 in these, I will have 4, I will have 1. Now I have 41. So you need to check the identity of 41. 41 cannot be divided by 2 because it appears to be like an odd number. It ends with 1. So practically it's not an even number. And when you also check 41 again, you will see that you cannot divide 41 even by 3. So 41 is actually a prime number on its own. So I can only divide it by 41. So that will give me 1. Then I can now write out my 328 as 2 times 2 times 2 times 41. How many 2's do I have here? That's 2 raised to the power of 3. Then I have 41. So This is 328 written as a product of its prime factors and the answer being left in index form. So I have number 3, which is 729. So let's get on that. Number 3 is 729. So practically, we can see that this is not an even number. So I can only begin with 3. Okay, and 3 in 7, that's 2. 3 in 12, that will give me 4. 3 in 9, that will give me 3. So I can use 3 again because I can see that it's not an even number, and of course it is divisible by 3. So 3 in 24, that will give me 8. 3 in 3, that will give me 1. I can use 3 again, that will be 27. I can use 3 again, that will be 9. I can use 3 again, that will be 3. I can use 3 again, that will be 1. So I have 729 being written as 3 times 3 times how many 3? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 6, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that's complete. So I can write that as 3 raised to the power of 6. So there is a solution to what we have in this example. Let's follow social media uh, handles. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe and always share all our videos and comments. You can always send me questions also. Try some numbers on your own. If you have difficulties with them, you can always send them to me in the comment section. Thank you. Bye for now.